Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create CSV file in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So this data I'm going to convert in CSV file. Just go to the file tab and click on the save as option and click on the this PC. Just double click on here and you can see the save as dialog box is open. To select the destination where you want to save, so I just click on the desktop. So desktop here open. You can check it this PC in desktop location here open. Okay. Then change the file name. The file name here. Just click on it and you can edit your the file name also. Just I edit here and here the file type. Save as a file type. This is a file type. The default select Excel workbook and if you want to change just click on this drop down arrow and to CSV select the CSV comma delimited. Just click on it and click on the save. That's it. Your file is saved as a CSV file. You can check here the .csv is added same as and just go to the desktop and you can see here the .csv is key. And when I keep cursor Microsoft Excel comma when you keep cursor on this file you can see the file type is a Microsoft Excel comma separated values file. It means CSV. Okay, that's it. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video please subscribe. Thank you so much.